Hello and welcome to the video here explaining what the enhancements are to the AKKO insurance. Um, so prior to this video, um, the red AKKO plan was $15 a month. Students was $12 a month. It covered one cell phone and up to 25 other items in the customer's home. Okay, and then we had the blue plan, the blue plan, which ranges anywhere from $6 a month to $12 a month, depending on what device it is. Um, we had a lot of feedback from a lot of you, as well as a lot of customers, that they would have a lesser expensive device, and they wanted to get the red AKKO plan, but didn't want a $100 deductible. So AKKO um, went ahead and basically combined the blue and the red plan. So how it works now is real simple. You just click on the red AKKO. You decide or you choose if it's a student or if it's an adult. Here's the qualifications for a student. If they qualify with any of those programs right there, then they would have a reduced rate of it'd be $12 a month instead of um, $15 a month, and the deductible on their other items would be $49 instead of $99. But the red adult AKKO plan, the deductible is $99 on all other devices. Okay, but the cell phone deductible, if you click on either iPhone or Samsung down here at the bottom, whatever the customer may have, um, right here is the deductible chart. So they're the same as the blue plan. They will not have the higher deductible because they have the red plan. Okay. And you would just simply sign them up. You let them know what their phone deductible will be, and then let them know what the other deductible would be for the other items in their home. Okay. And if you want a complete list of that, click right here on FAQ, and then click on what items are covered. And there's a variety of things in here that they will cover. Laptops, tablets, TVs, desktop computers, monitors, cameras, camera lenses, accessories, speakers, DJ equipment, headphones, video game consoles, controllers, VR equipment, and more. Okay. When you want to sign the customer up, you would go to here. You would ask them, what device it is they want to cover first. Okay, then you would let them know what their deductible is. Click on sign up, whether it be monthly or annually. If they sign up annually, they would it would drop it down to $14 a month instead of $15 a month. They essentially save $1 a month. Okay. Let's just say it's monthly though. So sign up monthly, type in the customer's first and last name, email address, phone number, their credit card, their store phone number. Then click sign up. Once that is done, they're going to receive an email just like the blue plans. We want you to, or AKKO would like for you to assist the customer in registering that device so it's uploaded correctly. And then when the customer goes home, they will follow the instructions on how to register all other devices. Okay, now your customer has an option. They can either do one cell phone plus 25 other devices for $15 a month, or cell phone only plans or laptop tablet only plans. If you have any questions, please feel free to reach out to me, or you can reach out to AKKO. Thank you very much and have a great day.